aquatic animals. Dear students, when we hear the word aquatic, it means it is related to water. Aqua means water, and the organisms that live in water are known as the aquatic animals. And these animals include the various types of fishes and octopus and different animals. So you must be wondering how the life is in water. So let us today try to understand how these animals are able to survive underwater, what kind of adaptations they have in order to survive in such conditions. Let us read about the oceans. The oceans contains different animals and they are known as the marine habitat. The ocean is a huge body of salt water. That is why it is known as marine habitat. Fish live in water bodies. They show different type of adaptations, and along with the fishes we have different organisms. The jellyfish, tortoise, seahorse, octopus, squids, penguins, snakes, starfish, and different variety of crabs and fishes also like shark, dolphin, starfish, electric ray fish, and lamprey. Different variety you can find in a huge water body like ocean. So these animals that live in water are ectothermic, that is, their body temperature is regulated by external sources, and they are vertebrates. It means they have a backbone in their body. And these animals, we know that they respire with the help of gills. Fishes respire with the help of gills. This is the external anatomy of the fish. You can see the different body parts with different fins which perform different functions to make the life of a fish comfortable in the ocean. The skin of the fishes, the body of the fishes is streamlined, and this streamlined shape helps to overcome the resistance due to water, and it enables the fish to swim fast. The skin of the fish is covered with waterproof scales which protect it from decaying in the water. You must have seen, even when some leaves of plants are thrown in water, they rot. Within 2 or 3 days they are rotten. Sometimes some animals or some person, they unfortunately they get drowned in water, and when their body is found, it is completely damaged and destroyed. It is rotten. But it is not in the case of the aquatic animals. They live in water and God has made them like that. Their skin is having a waxy coating over it which help in preventing the decaying of the animal in water. The fishes, they have gills that help in breathing in water, which help the fishes to breathe in water. We have studied in the respiration method of the fishes that the gills, they extract oxygen from the seawater that is drunk by the fish, and it helps in the respiration of the fishes. When we talk about fishes, there are some fishes like dolphins and whales, blue whales, that do not have gills. These animals do not have gills. They breathe through lungs. They inhale air through the nostrils that are located in the upper part of their heads. And this allows them to breathe in the air when they swim near the surface of the water. And these animals, they can stay inside the water for a longer time without breathing. But sometimes they come out of the surface. Near the surface of the water they come and they breathe in air with the help of their nostrils. Such thing happens with the dolphins and whales. That is why many times we see many videos the dolphins enjoying in the sea and whales coming over the surface of the water. These things happens because they come near the surface of water to breathe in the air.